how to create a discount code on Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video, I will tell you how you guys can simply create a discount code on your Shopify store. So the process is very easy. All that you guys need to do is simply open up your Shopify store's dashboard, and then after that, click on the left side where you guys see the discounts option. Once you guys click on that, you guys will have the option to create a discount. Now you guys can create discount codes with this, and these automatic discounts are going to allow you to apply them at your checkout, and you guys can offer exclusive discounts to anybody that you guys want to, or to a bunch of your customers. Click on create discount, and then it's going to ask you what discount type do you want. So simply choose the discount type, and then after that simply type in the code that you guys want. So for example, if I type in over here free shipping, well, then after that, I'll click on generate, and then now we have this particular coupon code come up. Now you guys can just simply choose all the details, basically minimum purchase requirements, customer eligibility, maximum discount uses, and then after that, simply choose the date as well as to when you guys want this particular discount to end. Then after that, click on save discount, and this discount code is going to be activated, and you guys can share this with anybody or with all your customers if you guys want to. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.